The first step to getting good grades is to identify your learning style. If you know your learning style, then you can study smarter, not harder. The three types of learners are auditory, you learn by listening; visual, you learn by observing what you see; and tactile, you learn by doing repetitive actions. Step 2 is a two-part process. Once you've identified your learning style, you need to find a comfortable space at home or school in which to study. Then later, create a study timetable and stick to it. This will help you to better organize your time. Always remember to make time for adequate sleep. Step 3. Review and revise. Try doing this at least once a week. You can have friends or family members quiz you. If not, make flashcards. They come in handy on the go. Education is the key to success. So why not just study and increase your chances of getting good grades to become future leaders of Jamaica and make Jamaica the place of choice to live, work, raise families, and do business.